Alright, starting a new trip. So, right, you can see on the beginning of the video I put in a polini variator. So let me make sure my video is still. Okay, so I put the polini variator in, and I should get more top speed at cruising because it rides on, it's a bigger diameter, so it rides on the belt higher. So, and I put the 6.9 gram rollers, not sliders, in just to see how they go with the variator. It came with it, so might as well see how it goes. Today is Saturday noon. Alright, see what this variator does. Not bad so far. But it always starts out that way until the belt rides in a little bit. But maybe it's because of the variator too. I don't know, maybe I need to put heavier rollers in. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, 8,500. I'm definitely, and these are bigger weights than the slider. The sliders I had in were 6.5. These are 6.9. Remember that I guess the angle is different. So let's see how this thing goes on a 45 mile an hour road. So that's where I'm headed to now. I've been pretty much riding this thing every day, as much as I can, because it's fun. Why not, you know? So, alright. So, there's plenty of videos, people doing like these rider videos, always talking about was a 50cc scooter worth it. And that's why I wanted to show the street riding, because you can see for me it's worth it. For somebody, and you're in an area, you got to see where the area where you're at, if it's worth it for you. You know, if you're in a, I guess, country and you have to do 40, 50 miles an hour on the road, then a 50cc scooter is definitely not for you. But if you're, and then again, if you're a tinker, or you're handy, or you're mechanically inclined, whatever you want to call it, because my wife likes to say I tinker all the time. I'm like, yeah, I love to tinker. So that's what I do, and I like making things go faster. I like, you know, pushing the limits of certain things, and but like I said, this works perfectly out for my needs too. It's just, you know, commuting and riding. So it works out for me definitely, because see, I'm getting into traffic. See how this thing goes, top speed. Okay, it's getting hot. Definitely need heavier roller weights. So I'm gonna go home, put some heavier roller weights in, come back out, because my RPMs are too high. Yeah, way too high. But I can get this, I can go more I can go, but what I'll do is I'll put in 8-gram sliders and start from there and see what right now they're almost like they're at 7, so 6.9. So yeah, all right. So this variator is definitely, you gotta make changes when you change variator. You can't, I didn't expect it to be the same weights or anything close, but you know, sometimes it's like that. So did pretty good, but yeah, RPMs touched the 9,000s. So I might not even put this video up, so we'll see how that goes. But I'm gonna go home right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go with 8s. We'll see how those go. Yesterday, there's a lot you guys didn't even get to see that I didn't post up because the video cutting it out. Pickup in the wind, but way too high. I could have went just then. Hesitation for the nation. Alright, let's take it on in. Let's see what this temperature is reading today. It is hot. 239, 203. Okay, so not too hot.